All right, guys, there's going to be a time when you're going to need support, you're going to need help. And I want to show you the proper way of getting the support and help that you need. Okay, so when you go to contact us, you're going to see this information down here, right here. Well, you can contact me via this process, but I want to show you the proper way so that we can track the emails going back and forth and we don't lose track of things. And it's all within your account. So when we set that up, but if you have to, you could use this process, but only use it if you can't log into your account and you can only go there and you need to contact me. So if you can't, like you forgot your password or something like that and you can't do it at all, you can contact me right through here. Now, I also give you my cell phone number here, but please don't abuse it. Don't just sit there and call me every 10 minutes because you want something done right away. I do have other clients. I've got lots of customers. I've got to be able to support you all. So you want to make sure that you don't abuse that or else I'll have to take that off. Now, you can also send me an email through support, which will work too if you want to do that process. But let me show you the proper way of doing this. You want to log into your account. So go over here and go to login. And I'm going to go and log into my test account right now and show you how to do this. It's really easy to do, and it gives you a tracking number, and it shows you when your tickets are open or closed. Okay, so let me log in. Okay, so let me just log in real quick here. Okay, now there's a multiple ways that you can get to your support tickets here. You got tickets here you can click on. You can open a new ticket here and you're going to see other tickets that have been closed that you've been working on or that we've been working on together. So if you go to tickets here, you're going to be able to see the different ways. You can see all of your previous tickets that are closed, and you're going to be able to open a new ticket right through this process. So open a ticket is right here. Okay, so we wish they had it up here, but they don't seem to have it. So you have to open a new ticket, which you hit open. Okay, I'm going to show you the process and how it kind of works and what you're going to see. Now, you're going to be able to do general inquiries, billing, or technical support. And so I want to do tech support. So you click on that. And now you're going to do, this will be automatically filled in for you. So you'll have that information there. Set up, help me set up my DNS with name cheap. Okay, and I'm just going to copy that and put it down here at the bottom too. Okay, and then you're going to pick your package that you have, and if it's high, medium, or low, I'll just leave it at that. And then if you have an attachment, if you want to show me a screenshot, you can actually add that there. And then just hit, and you're going to see more information in here of knowledge and suggestions. So before submitting a ticket, you're going to want to watch a few videos. I will be loading more videos through here of how to set things up, what to do when you need to get things set up. So I'll be putting a lot of how-to videos underneath there, and then hit submit. Okay, once you hit submit, this will all be tracked within your account so that you don't have to worry about losing an email. So this is the ticket number there. And so you can go right up to here, support, and look at tickets. Okay. And it'll be right underneath there. And now you're going to see that there's an open ticket. Okay. And these are closed tickets. Now I'm going to go back to my email here, and this is the new ticket that was opened up, and you can see it right there. And if you reply to this email and say, thank you for your response. So just say thank you and then hit send. Okay. Now I will be able to go back and close this ticket out. Okay. Let me go back here and let me go do that real quick here because I got to go to another system to do that. I'm going to put the video on pause while I do this. Okay, now I went ahead and closed the ticket. I want to show you how that process looks. So you're going to get an email here that says all set up, thank you, and the ticket is actually closed now. You're going to see the status of closed. So you see the status of the ticket, and I'll have links and information that you have right into the email there. And then once we're all done, you'll be able to send feedback requests and send me a feedback request of telling me how am I doing. You have to log in first, and so what you do is jason@jasongrald.com, and let me put the password in there. Log in. Okay, so you're definitely gonna want to send me feedback. Tell me what's going on. Tell me if I'm doing a good service or if I'm doing a worse service. Put some comments in there and say thank you. This was great. Okay, and then hit save changes. Okay, that's all you have to do when you do that. Now, just to close this video out, not to make it too long, you can see it's closed out. You can go back to support tickets here. This is your trail here. You can see now that it's all closed. We've got all 3 of them closed out when we did it. Like I said, you can open up a new ticket there. You can see network status here, downloads if there is any that you would have within your area. So you want to make sure you get familiar with this, but there's no downloads that you currently have, and that you can go to it. Now you can go back up to here and go to My Services, and if you want to get back to your cPanel, you can definitely go back to Activity, our Active account, and then when you go back to the Active account, you can go in here and there's your cPanel, your passwords, all of that information, and here's some quick shortcut links to cPanel. Like I said before, this is all within cPanel right here. So, and then you can get into your cPanel right there. All right, guys, that's it for, I don't need to go into here and go into the detail on that, so I'm going to close that out. But that's it for support. So if you have any questions, like I said, there's a couple ways that you can contact me. Highly suggest you use the ticket process because it will actually make it a lot easier for you, and we can go back and look at history if something happens. Everything is stored right into your account. So that's that way there you always have everything at your fingertips. All right, guys, have a great day. I look forward to working with you, and go out and create multiple streams of income. We'll see ya.